It can be tough to keep up with all of your car's scheduled maintenance, and we know it can be confusing to know how often each service should be done on specific vehicles. Our team here at Matt Castrucci Honda never wants you to feel overwhelmed, so read on for the 2017 Honda Accord's regular maintenance schedule. Honda recommends that you change the oil in your 2017 Accord every 7,500 miles or every 12 months, whichever comes first. You should never under any circumstances travel more than 10,000 miles without changing the oil, as that can be very damaging to your engine and your car in general. If you have a tough time remembering when your car is scheduled for regular maintenance, you'll be happy to know that the 2017 Honda Accord offers the Maintenance Minder function, which reminds you when maintenance is due. If your Honda is in need of some regularly scheduled maintenance or even some unexpected repairs, schedule a service appointment online in Matt Castrucci Honda and we'll get you back on the road in no time. Drivers interested in learning more about our service department are encouraged to give us a call.